We, the students of Sri Shankara College Kaladi, the Department of Economics, is presenting the message of Environment Day on the theme Ecosystem Restoration. Please be with us. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. The day was first observed in 1974 by the United Nations in order to raise awareness to protect our surroundings. The day is also known as Eco Day or Environment Day. Every year, the day is observed with a specific theme. It has become quite important to save our environment by planting trees, rewilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and banks. Hence, we have enlisted some of the messages, quotes, and wishes to send on World Environment Day to our friends, colleagues, and relatives to raise awareness. In today's world, paper bags are an alternative to the harmful plastic bags, and they are environment friendly. Paper bags are biodegradable and good for the environment. They are made of natural materials which are easily recycled and can be reused. This helps us in reducing the usage of plastic. Focusing and encouraging people to use eco-friendly paper bags will keep a healthy environment. Let us give our coming generations a healthier and happier environment to have a beautiful life. Best wishes on Environment Day. On World Environment Day, let us stop harming nature. Let us stop polluting it. Let us join hands to bring a positive change to make planet Earth a much healthier, greener, and happier place to live. To save the climate change and enhance the livelihood on the planet Earth, let us pledge restoring the ecosystem. We, the students of DC3 Economics, wishing you all a very happy Environment Day.